Alrighty, today seems to be a pretty good day for beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs because I have a couple more opportunities for you, and one of them is part-time and they'll train you. That's the one I want to start off with. It comes to us from the company Foundation Finance. So this job is for Funding Specialist Level 1. It is part-time, it is remote. They have a location of Rothschild, United States, but I'm going to ignore that because at the bottom of the job description, they do have 29 states in which they are hiring remotely, and included in this list I see the state of Colorado, New Jersey, and New York. So hopefully, fingers crossed, your state is also included on this list. So this job is very part-time and very entry level. In fact, you don't even need to have completed your high school education yet. Now, as far as the part-time schedule, I'm just scrolling around to see if they tell us what your schedule will be. And right here, they tell us you must have 20 to 25 hours per week of daytime availability for training. So yeah, they will train you in this job. That's really good. And as far as your schedule, I still don't see anything about your schedule. Let's take a quick peek at the application. And unfortunately, you do have to set up an account to apply for this position. And because I'm not applying for it, I'm not going to set up an account. So as far as your schedule, I have a feeling you'll work 20 to 24 hours per week, normal business hours. But you'll have to confirm that with them. So in this job, you're going to review loan documents for accuracy and compliance with company policies and applicable laws. This role trains dealers on the proper completion of loan documents and answers questions related to program processes and application statuses. You'll also communicate document issues to dealers and help resolve any outstanding issues. So it sounds like you're going to do a little bit of customer service and process a whole lot of documents. You do a whole lot of data entry of document information, review finance documents for accuracy, and monitor electronic signature queue and resend links or contact dealers with any issues. You'll also review processing statuses and documentation to ensure dealer calls are appropriately handled and advise dealers on any issues or needed items, and answer program questions, and train dealers on document and funding processes via phone and email. So for this job, they tell us you need a high school diploma or a GED, either completed or in progress. You're comfortable using Microsoft Office products, but if you're not, don't worry about it too much because in the description area below this video, I have a link to a really good free resource where you can learn all you need to know about all the Microsoft Office programs. You can also read and interpret documents such as safety rules, operating and maintenance instructions, and procedural manuals. You can write routine reports and correspondence, and you're able to speak effectively before groups of customers or employees of the organization. And going back up to the top of the job description, they tell us they'll pay you $15 per hour. So another beginner-friendly work-from-home job is with the company GMR Marketing. This job is for an account coordinator, events and venues, and it is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description. So in this job, you'll play a key role in bringing marketing programs to life by assisting with procurement, payments, invoice processing, and vendor coordination. You'll work closely with internal GMR teams and external partners, keeping financial, contractual, and compliance tasks on track and accurate. They tell us this role is perfect for someone who thrives in a fast-paced, detail-oriented environment. You enjoy juggling multiple projects, and you take pride in keeping things organized and running smoothly behind the scenes. So this sounds like a really fun, cool position. You'll do some procurement and vendor support. That means you'll source and secure hospitality, catering, transportation, and ticketing needs. You'll also do some payments, invoicing, and reconciliation, managing payments and invoices for all program-related expenses from lodging and catering to event tickets and transportation. And you'll keep contracts and invoices on track while supporting internal reporting. So you need to be a good communicator. You're flexible and detail-oriented, and you have a dynamic mindset. You're curious, adaptable, and a self-starter. And they tell us on this job description your salary will be anywhere from $43,000 to $50,000 per year. So there you go, two pretty good beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs. And remember, one of them is part-time and they'll train you. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs, you can find some in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.